How's it going, everybody? Another day in paradise, because before we go to billions, millions, right, for our portfolio, we have to see the last dump. And I'm very happy to tell you that, there's some good news. The pain is going to be over pretty quickly. You can tell right now in the two arrows that you see on the screen, this is the beginning of October and the beginning of November. And what you notice is that price usually sells off at the start of the month. But as we continue the month, starts climbing back. That's what I think is going to happen for November. And there's so much to say on that. FOMC, after US election, numbers, CPI data, the whole deal. So by the end of this video, before you buy crypto, understand what I'm about to share with you guys. There's some levels that you need to know now with the TA that I'm presenting here on the screen. And we also have, the deals in the altcoins that are getting wrecked because BTC right now is falling a little bit. So it makes total sense. First link down below, get on Margex up to 10,000 welcome bonus in your deposit. What a great opportunity if you're looking into shorting, into longing, because I have some cash, as you can see right there. And I want to make sure that I'm ready for some great positions. There's some news as far as BlackRock saying, we don't see, that we're going to go that low as people see when it comes to the interest rates. So meaning cutting the federal funds rate. And even Donald Trump, Bitcoin is not a threat to the dollar. The behavior of the current U.S. government is really the threat to the dollar. So there's going to be a lot of changes, right? If he so wins. But I mean, before we get to that, guys, don't forget to smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Very happy to see you all. There's, yesterday we had a conversation, really good one with you live. Basically saying, there's a lot of people who are so tired of waiting for things to change, right? For things to change. But finally, we had a 73,000 BTC. But the problem is that your favorite meme coins and altcoins didn't move. They really didn't do anything. It was just Bitcoin and a little bit of Ethereum because of the dominance. Something that a lot of people just don't realize, right? That there's not going to be any major change in the altcoins and meme coins unless this is from 60 to 40 at least. At that point means that altcoins are dominating the market. So it is another reminder for you to know, guys, what a time to accumulate the tokens that you believe, period. Because if you are not doing it right now, once they wake up, it's going to be too late. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at where we are at. I'm looking at the daily chart. And the first thing that I told you is, well, the beginning of November, literally, and we are starting to see the price go down. I created a price channel right here, which in a way helps me understand what the price was looking ever since the beginning of October, where if we go back to the price of September, prices of September right here was kind of the same. We start September right here, and then we go down to the 52 actually. And then from 52, we go all the way to 66. And then October comes, go down all the way to 73. November comes, go down, and then all the way to possible $80,000. You heard it here first with Oscar Ramos. Don't let this dump scare you. Don't let this dump run away, because this is just the repetition of the cycle that we've been seeing. And you can actually go back. I mean, what was this date? This is the beginning of August. The beginning of August, we dropped all the way to 49. Let me go ahead and bring this one here. 49,000. And then we end August right here at 65. You see, it's kind of crazy how the manipulation comes. But as you can tell, after enduring all of this type of consolidation for years, I think we're heading in the right direction. Just happens to be that right now in November, we have the US election. Kamala Harris versus Donald J. Trump. They couldn't be more different to each other. So if one wins, I think we're going to go much higher. If the other person wins, there might be a sell-off initially because it's not what a lot of people in crypto are expecting. But I think it's just more gonna be more opportunity for everybody to trade, more opportunity for everybody to make more money if you know what you're doing in trading. So what is the first level? Let me go ahead and delete here. First level that I'm gonna be putting, guys, is right here at 67. 67 and a half. That's what I told you yesterday. And guess where we're at? 67 and a half, 67,500 or so. So now we're looking at 67 flat. So 67 flat right here. We could be going that way. Yes, of course we can. We still have 40 plus hours left till election. Finally, when all the votes are closed. So we'll see. By looking at my PPF, past, present, future indicator, we see that we have, let me go ahead and delete all of this. We have the Neo Cloud right here, very clear at 63, 64, 65, even at, 60,000. Can we go that low? It is unlikely. There's a chance, and that's why it's drawn here, because this is the next level to beat. I got two levels, basically. 67 and right here in 65. 65 around. This, it kind of looks the most common sense for me to go down if things go that bad in the next couple of days. So I'll be having some cash in hand to start trading on MarchX, and all my links down below, guys. Sign up, deposit, get up to 10,000 welcome bonus in deposit, guys, and understand that this is a chance for us to be brave, because scared money don't make money. And I see I have 75 of you already trading actively, so rob it, guys. That's the way to go. Before you buy any crypto, just know that altcoins are not going to move much unless you're buying a meme coin that is just getting out of the Solana ecosystem. So you can see a major pump. There's going to be a huge dump, pump and dump, basically, from Solana. They always come. You just have to go to Dex Tools, and here on Dex Tools, guys, in all different ecosystems, look at this. Peanut from the squirrel that got killed. All of these ones, guys, in the last 24 hours. But you click here, and chances are that, look at the market cap, complete rock pull and scam, complete pump and dump. You go to the 1 hour. Let's go to the 4 hours. And that's basically what you're going to end up. People are killing each other. People are liquidating each other. People are just here for the money. And that's kind of what it is. Happens everywhere, right? So if you really want to go super risky, which I just don't do, people do this, but understand that you have to be on your toes every single second. Or you can come to what we're doing right now, investing and trading on tokens and projects that we believe, that we know how they look, how they behave, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, XRP, and more. And you have a much better chance to make those decent plays that you can accumulate. But it makes more sense because using MarchX leverage, instead of making 2, 3, 4% on that investment, which is not really that much, with leverage, you can multiply that. And it's just, even if you go 1%, you can still make a lot more money with that one if you know what you're doing. All right. So that's what I'll tell you guys. There's obviously tons to watch and a lot to be ready for in this upcoming week. So I'll keep you updated. Thank you so very much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.